The housing market has been one of the strongest and most consistent markets in recent history. However, the tides are changing, and all signs are pointing towards a housing market crash in 2023. This crash has the potential to be one of the largest and most devastating in history, affecting millions of homeowners and real estate investors alike. The cause of this impending crash is a perfect storm of economic factors, including rising interest rates, increased regulations, and a decrease in demand for housing. The combination of these factors has created a fragile housing market that is on the brink of collapse, leaving many experts predicting a crash of epic proportions. The housing market has always been susceptible to crashes, but in recent years, it has become even more volatile due to a number of factors. One of the most significant factors contributing to the impending crash is the rise in interest rates. As interest rates increase, it becomes more expensive for people to take out loans to purchase homes. This decrease in demand for homes leads to a decrease in home prices, which in turn leads to a decrease in the value of the homes that people already own. Another factor that is contributing to the housing market crash of 2023 is increased regulation. The government has imposed more restrictions on lending and borrowing, making it harder for people to obtain loans to purchase homes. This decrease in the availability of loans has led to a decrease in demand for housing, which has led to a decrease in home prices. In addition, the increased regulations have made it more difficult for real estate investors to make a profit, which has further decreased the demand for housing. The final factor contributing to the housing market crash of 2023 is a decrease in demand for housing. The population is aging, and many people are choosing to downsize or move to more affordable areas. This decrease in demand for housing has led to a decrease in home prices, which has further decreased the value of homes that people already own. In addition, the rise of remote work has led many people to move away from major cities, further decreasing the demand for housing in those areas. The combination of these factors has created a fragile housing market that is on the brink of collapse. The signs are everywhere, from the decrease in home prices to the decrease in demand for housing. If you own a home or are thinking about investing in real estate, it is important to take action now to protect yourself from the impending housing market crash of 2023. One option is to sell your home before the market crashes. This will allow you to get the maximum value for your home before prices drop. However, if you cannot sell your home, you can take steps to prepare for the crash. You can refinance your mortgage to take advantage of lower interest rates, and you can take out a home equity loan to pay off any debts you may have. Another option is to invest in real estate in areas that are not as affected by the housing market crash. For example, you may want to invest in real estate in areas that are not as dependent on the housing market, such as commercial properties or rental properties. These types of properties are less likely to be affected by the housing market crash, and they can provide a steady stream of income even if the housing market crashes. In conclusion, the housing market crash of 2023 is an imminent threat, and it is important to take action now to protect yourself. Whether you decide to sell your home, refinance your mortgage, or invest in real estate in other areas, taking action now will help you minimize the damage from the impending housing market crash. It is time to act now and prepare for the worst, because the housing market crash of 2023 is coming, and it will be unlike any other crash we have seen before. Additionally, it is crucial for homeowners and potential buyers to stay informed and educated about the current state of the housing market and the factors contributing to its decline. Monitoring the market and being aware of the latest developments can help you make informed decisions and take the necessary measures to protect your investments. Moreover, it is important to seek the advice of financial experts and real estate agents to help guide you through the process of preparing for the housing market crash. They can provide valuable insight and recommendations on the best strategies for weathering the storm and minimizing losses. One strategy that has proven to be effective in the past is diversifying your investments. Instead of relying solely on the housing market, consider investing in a mix of different assets such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. This can help mitigate the risk of losses in one market and provide a cushion during difficult times. In addition, it is essential to have a solid financial plan in place. This includes having an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses and having a plan for managing debt. It is also a good idea to reduce your monthly expenses and increase your savings to ensure that you are in a strong financial position if the housing market does crash. In conclusion, the housing market crash of 2023 is a reality that we cannot ignore. By taking action now and being proactive, you can help protect your investments and ensure a stable financial future. Stay informed, seek the advice of experts, and diversify your investments to help mitigate the risk of losses and prepare for the inevitable.